This is the ultimate Grillman barbecue set, and this is perfect for any grill master in your life. Let me open it up so you can take a peek. Isn't this set super nice? This would make an awesome gift for anybody. It includes 8 corn holders, as well as a brush cleaner, as well as a basting brush too. It also includes this oversized spatula, as well as tongs. It also includes a replacement brush head too, and this super nice case. This would make a superb gift for any grill master in your life. Now let me show you a close-up of all the tools you get. You receive 8 of these heavy-duty corn holders, so you can stick it on either side of the corn so your hands don't get dirty. You'll also receive this basting brush, so you can put your favorite marinade on your meat. And it also has a holder too, so you can hang it up after use. You'll also receive this heavy-duty cleaning brush, and it's perfect because there's also a scraper attached too. And they've also included a replacement head as well. How perfect is that? They've also included this 3-in-1 spatula. It's perfect because it has a beveled edge for flipping burgers and a serrated edge for cutting food. It also has a bottle opener too. They also have this 17-inch heavy-duty tongs, which have a serrated edge, perfect for grabbing, flipping, and serving your food. And this is also very easy to clean. All you need is hot soapy water, and you're good to go. I was sent this from Grillman for evaluation purposes, and I absolutely love it. And I think you will too. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful. Happy grilling!